Great. In last lecture, what we have seen, I just revise. We have seen simple program for addition of two numbers. Same program we have written with the function with no parameter, no return type. Okay. Function with parameter, no return type. Okay. This is the function. Next is function with parameter and return type. Okay. So these are different ways we can write the program using function. That's it. Now in this small video, what we are going to learn, how to create classes and object using Python. So before I cover the program, just see the basics of Python. Okay, Python class and objects. What is Python? Is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Python is an object with its property and method. As I told you, if you remember the diagram, okay, property and the method. Property of rectangle is length and breadth. Method is area of rectangle. Property of student is name, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Methods are calculate total, average, grade. So what it is told? An object. Okay, we create class. Everything in Python is object with properties and methods. A number, string, list, dictionary, tuple in a program is an object of a corresponding built-in class. We create a class to create object. Unlike procedure-oriented programming, where the main emphasis is on function, object-oriented programming stresses on objects. Okay, we create the objects. So what is the object? Is a simply collection of data, variable and method function that acts on the data. When I say car is the object. When I say student is the object. Student comma S1, student space S1 is the object. So that concept will be more clear when I run the code. So let us take some examples of the classes. Here num equal to 10. 10 belongs to type num. This class is int. Now this is string. When I type string belongs to type string, I get output class string. Now this is true. Now class boolean. Now this data type is list. Class is list. Okay. This belongs to type list. Class is list. Now this is a tuple. The output of this will be class tuple. So everything is class. Set. This is the output type set. Class is set. This is the dictionary. Type is dictionary. Clear? So this output, already we have covered this output. Great. So when I run the code, I get the output. What is the class? How to define the class? The question, how to define the class? Define the class with the keyword class. As we define function with define keyword in Python, in the same way we define the class with class keyword, class. Can you see class name, colon. This is a doc string. I have created a new class. This is a comment in class. Okay. So simple example, class person. This is a class of name person. See, what is the keyword class? Class name colon. Class person. Class name is person colon. Okay. This is a comment. Now these are data members. Age is the data member 100. Member functions are define, greet, print, hello. This is the member function. Means what? Again I repeat. See, data members for class rectangle is length and breadth. Member function is calculate area of rectangle. Data member for students are name, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Member functions are calculate total, calculate average, calculate grade. These are the functions, class methods. Okay, so in the same way their methods are greet. This is name, any name is given. So define greet self colon. Self refers to the current object of the class, current object. Print hello. Now when I run the code, I can write print class name dot data member or class name dot member function. Can you see person dot age? His output is 10. Why? Because I have set age equal to 100. Person dot greet, person object class name dot greet. So here this is a function. I get output. This is a function person greet. Person greet is the function. Person greet. A person doc. This is the comment. This is a okay. This is the second class. This should have been second class. So whatever we put the comment in the class, I get the output. This is my second class. The method is person double underscore doc double underscore opening and closing double underscore. Okay. So in this way we define the class of name. Simple example, very simple example. So creating the object, how do I create the object? Array equal to person. So see the same example. Class name is person. Member functions are array equal to person. Harry equal to person. What happened? Harry becomes the type of person, object of person. Now Harry data members are age, member functions are greet. So when I say person greet, I greet hello function name. But when I say Harry greet, same method. When I call Harry greet, object dot method, Harry object dot method greet, I get hello output. Can you see the output? Hello output. So data member function. Okay, so this is very simple example I have explained. Let us jump to some more detailed examples. Okay, let us jump to our basic code as we have covered the simple example, addition of two numbers using class and object. Now we write the same program using classes and objects. So before I start this, I would like to show you one more link I have created. Okay, same program, define greet, print hello, call greet, I get the output hello world. Okay, same program using class greeter. Okay, class name is greeter, class is the keyword, define greet, same code, define greet, print hello world, define greet, print hello world. Here there should be indentation here, and greeter equal to greeter. So this greeter is the object of class greeter. This capital G, this is small g, don't get confused. So greeter object dot method greet. What is the output? I get the output hello world. Clear? Hello world. Now let us take some more examples. You will not understand 50%, 100%. Let us add some more example. So I want to add two numbers. Define add two numbers, return a plus b, and result equal to add numbers 5, 3. So function name add number. There are two inputs a, b. So 5, t. 5 copied in variable a, 3 copied in variable b. So this is the function which accept two parameters and return one parameter. Okay, that's why when I call the function, I am passing two parameters and I am printing the result. So here when I call this function, I get 5 plus 3, 8. That's it. Now how I have to write a program using class. So what I have to do? First step, define the keyword class. As already I told you how to define the class. See this example. Don't forget the basics. Basics are very important. So how do I define the class? We define the class with the keyword class name and data member function. Okay. So let us jump to this class adder. This is function name adder, and here define add number self, a, b. What is this add number? Same function, add number a, b, return a plus b. Only we have added self keyword. Why self keyword? Because when I define the class, class itself is the object, means adder itself is the object of adder. So when I refer self, it refers to current object that it is calling. So here adder equal to adder, function name, class name is adder, blank. This function do not accept any parameter. This is the no parameter constructor. So result equal to object adder dot add members self, a plus adder add number 5, 3, print result. So you can see this result. Some more examples. Calculate area of rectangle. Same program without function. Define rectangle length, width, return length, width, area equal to rectangle. Now what I have to define? I have to write just simply this code in the class. This code with the class with the keyword self. Okay, class name is rectangle. Rectangle equal to rectangle, and here object rectangle dot area. Rectangle dot area 4, 5. Now this 4 is copied in length, 5 is copied in width, return length, width. I get the area here, print area. Okay. Some more examples. Check even and odd numbers. Okay. Without function, define check even odd number mod 2 equal to 0, even or odd. Okay. I have written the same program using function and using class. Okay. Call this code print result. Okay. What is the output? Odd. Okay. Because I have 7 is odd, I get the result odd. Same program using class. What you have to do is simply copy this program as it is, add class keyword here class keyword, that's it, and embed that in the class keyword, class number checker. This is a class name number checker. This define function name, Okay, when I define the object number checker, checker equal to number checker, class equal to object name. So now checker is the object of name number checker. Now result equal to object checker dot check even all. Clear? One more example, counting characters in a string without class. So define count character is the function name which accepts string as input and return length of string. That's it. Okay, it returns number of character in the string. So when I call the function count character is the function name, it accepts string parameter. That's why I'm passing here hello in double quotes. So hello copied in string variable, return length of string, I get 5. So print count, I get 5. Okay, so define class. In this way I have written multiple program. This is program without a class. Just copy this code as it is, write class keyword colon and here maintain indentation, add keyword self and write same program as it is, create the object class name, create the objects counter equal to object name and object dot count character. That's it. So these are the different ways we have created the program using classes and objects. What if I want to add inputs dynamically from the users? So if I want to add inputs from the user dynamically means what? Here I define the methods. Just don't forget the basic. Here now class rectangle, length and breadth. Okay, so here I want to add two numbers. See, the formula here is area equal to length into breadth. Here formula is a plus b. That's it. There is no difference. So how to do it? Class adder. Okay, this is the constructor. We define the constructor, define keyword. Okay, opening what we name is I forgot the name. Double. Okay, just I forgot the name. Sorry. Init, opening and closing self. Okay, it's a hyphen, double hyphen. Okay, underscore 200, double underscore, opening double underscore, closing underscore 2 times self. Cell dot a equal to enter first number, cell dot a equal to enter second number, and call the function add numbers, return self a plus self b, because we are not passing any parameter here. Try to understand this. See, in previous case we are passing parameter here. If you see this, don't forget the basics. So when I call the function, I am not passing any parameters. Okay, sorry, you are not passing the parameter. Here I am passing the parameter. It is a parameterized constructor. So adder equal to adder, result equal to adder dot add number, adder dot add numbers. Okay, adder dot add number. So I get the output. So result is 3. You can see. When I call the function, when object get created adder dot add number, this function get called immediately because this is the constructor. The moment object get created, immediately this constructor get called. That's why here I got enter first number, enter second number, 5, 3. Now 5 is assigned to A, 3 is assigned to B, assigned to A, assigned to B, and here add numbers. When I call this adder equal to add numbers, self dot a plus self dot b, then I get the sum, return the sum is result. That's it. So in this way I can have example for addition of two numbers. Same for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. This is the code for area of rectangle, length into breadth. So class rectangle, define the underscore init self. This is the constructor. Cell dot length, self dot width. Calculate area. Now I can directly access this self object property without passing it. Okay, so that's why return self dot length, self dot width. Suppose I write L, only L here, and only W. I will write self dot L, self dot W. Remember, whatever name I take here, I should accept the same name here. Now I create the object and I run the code. That's it. So same for checking even and odd number. Okay, here define in itself only one number and check it is even or odd. That's it. Okay, you just go through it. Counting character of a string, same, create a constructor, call it That's it. So in this way you just go through it and check it, run the code. Without running the code you will not get the confidence. I hope you understood the code. Thank you.